Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we will be obviously doing a wig review. So today we're reviewing Sensational Cloud 9 wet lace. I hope y'all can see that. Let me see. Focus, B, focus. There you go. So we're reviewing the Sensational wet lace. This is style Solana and the number 2. Sis, this wig is everything. This wig is giving me so much life right now. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be my birthday wig. I'm probably gonna even wear it on Christmas Eve and maybe even Christmas, because enough people have to see me in this luscious goddessness of a wig. Now the curls are phenomenal. I love me some curly units. Or yeah, it just made me feel so fabulous and everything. It's beautiful, y'all. Now the one thing I will say about this wig is that since the lace, when you get it, it's like a translucent looking tannish, it's not really tan, but it's like some kind of not brown color. And your wig cap, you might want to go with black, because I had a brown wig cap and I could see my wig cap through the lace, but the black one really makes everything just seamless. Just add a little bit of foundation powder and you'll be okay. That's all I did, was add some foundation powder and then did my little baby hairs. The wig does come with baby hairs, by the way, so you ain't gotta worry about cutting none or nothing like that. And they're long enough to where you can snip them shorter or swirl them around if you want to. Now this wig is a 13x4 parting space, and so you can part it in the middle, you can part it on this side, you can part it on that side, you can just do the flip over, whatever the heck you want to do, honey, you can do it. The wig's pretty long, as you can see. Like, this is the, let me bring it out to the front. Okay, it's natural density as well, y'all. And this is how long it is in the front. This is the back. That's how long it is in the back. This is the end of my back. So yeah, let me see if I can stretch it for y'all. And it comes even with my belly button, and I'm 5'5.5". So yeah. Now this wig it's really honestly so nice. It's soft. I'm really impressed. I never would have expected like it to look so natural. It looks like I got a nice sew-in, or I got me some good human hair, honey, and this is synthetic. You be out here changing the game, Sensational, for real. But yeah, y'all should definitely go get it. It's honestly worth the buy, in my opinion. It only cost me, what, $46 from Shop Hair Fly, or Shop Fly Hair, or shophair.com. I forgot what the website's called, but I'll put it in the description down below so you can go get it too. I paid like $46 for mine, and then plus shipping, it came up to like literally $50. So it's not that bad, and it's actually worth it, for real. They come in a whole bunch of colors. They got flamboyage, I think flamboyage, that's how you say it? Yeah, flamboyage, caramel, chocolate, copper, gold, and wine. And then you also have burgundy wine, 613, number 2, 1, 1B, all the, you know, regular colors. And yeah, it's so worth it. Also, again, this wig was requested by Brown Skin Princess. Y'all can follow her on Instagram. I will like insert a little snippet of her either here, or I'll just like put it somewhere in the video so that y'all can, or I'll put her name somewhere so that you can go and follow her on Instagram, because she requested this wig. Because honestly, I don't know where I was at, but I didn't know nothing about this wig till she said something about it. So thank you for requesting this, honey. Thank you. I really appreciate it, because I'm in love with this. I honestly am. So beautiful. Everybody on Instagram seems shooketh, so hopefully it's good. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this review of this wig, and y'all consider getting it, because honey, it's honestly honey, what movie star vibes. What are you saying? Movie star vibes. But yeah, it does tangle a little bit, but it's like a curly unit, so I guess it's to be expected. But it's nothing horrendous or nothing crazy, just natural tangling. What else? I'm trying to think what else about this wig. It doesn't really shed. I haven't got any shedding. Well, I got like normal, maybe 1 or 2 strands, but no excessive shedding, so that's good. It's honestly pretty decent wig. I can't really complain about it. it lived up to my expectations and even a little bit above that. So yeah, everyone I've seen loved it so far in person, so it's a total recommend from me, honey. I say go get it. Go spend some coins and get you this luxurious wig, honey. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and there'll be many more to come. If you have any other wig reviews that you would like to see, or anything else y'all would like to see, please let me know in the comments down below, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. So peace out, y'all.